Welcome back to Worst Ideas. Today we are going to take a look at the top 5 scariest videos caught on doorbell cameras. Without further ado, let's get to it. Number 5. Old Lady with Knife. A mystery woman was caught on camera in the middle of the night repeatedly ringing a doorbell, whilst wielding a knife. It was reported that a barefoot woman apparently visited at least 5 houses in the Sunrise Ranch neighborhood in the early morning of August 24. The incident alarmed residents, leading law enforcement to investigate what they called a suspicious incident. Number 4. Woman kidnapping. This woman was seen banging on a Texas home and yelling for help, late night on a weekday. She was heard rapidly knocking the front door as a male runs back and forth behind her. She is heard crying and saying "Stop, please, no," before being dragged away by the male that was believed to be armed. Number 3. Cops are on their way. A homeowner in Dallas was at work when she received an activity notification on her phone. When she answered the notification, she saw 2 strangers at her front door. The 2 men noticed the camera in her video doorbell, and they immediately took off. Suspicious of the 2 men, the homeowner stayed on the line instead of hanging up. And sure enough, just a couple minutes later, the 2 men returned and tried to kick down the door. The homeowner was able to warn them that the police were on the way.
Hello? Hello? Cops are on their way.
Number 2. Masked Man. Finding a masked man at your front door in the middle of the night can be pretty scary, but when that man returns to your home 3 times in 1 week, it's downright frightening. That's what happened to the Gerber family in Milford, Connecticut. The Gerbers had bought a video doorbell to watch over their home while on vacation over 100 miles away. Just a couple days into their vacation, they received an activity alert of a masked man at their front door. Luckily, he wasn't able to break in, but just a few days later, the masked man returned. The Gerbers sent the videos to police and local news stations, hoping the attempted break-ins would stop, but the man returned again. This time, however, the Gerbers were waiting for him, and so were the cops. Instead of watching the masked man try to break into their home, the Gerbers watched him get arrested on their video doorbell. And finally, number 1. Armed Clown. Last year, a frightening trend swept through the country. All across the US, people were dressing up as clowns and terrorizing all of us. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt by these evil-looking clowns, but they certainly left a terrifying impression. Homes with video doorbells weren't immune from the craze, and we caught one here sneaking around a house in Toledo. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the top 5 scariest videos caught on doorbell cameras. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on for the latest content updates.